2013, Anchorage Tank was purchased by the Greer family. We do run each place independently. However, we work together in different facilities.
We make a variety of tanks from our common 300 and 500 gallon single wall fuel oil tanks all the way up to 30,000 gallon double wall tanks, as well as our septic line from 500 gallon up to 25,000.
We can manufacture anything we want as far as tankages and skids, and we can marry that with Orenco equipment. We put their pumping systems in our tanks. We've been doing that for 40 years.
Most of our uniqueness circles around the advanced treatment septic systems.
We are the exclusive dealer in Alaska for the AdvanTex system that's manufactured by Orenco. We add a filter, and a drain field is significantly reduced in size because that filter has done most of the work that the drain field used to do. We call that AdvanTex.
The advanced wastewater treatment, it puts cleaner water into the environment than a standard septic system.
If you were to walk into Anchorage Tank into our new shop, that building also is where our office is. The same building is going to be where we do kind of our custom fabrication, handrails, mounting tanks to the skids. Across the yard to our old shop, that's where all of our forming rolls and most of the tanks are getting put together. Once the tanks are put together, they're brought back to the new shop for final assembly, mounting on skids, walkways, and then they get moved over into our sandblast and paint bay. Final assembly after paint is performed over there. We got more yard space for one and a larger capacity shop-wise for building larger tanks.
Our location is close to the port. We do build a lot of tanks that have to make barges to get out to the more remote areas in Alaska.
You'll see our products spread all over the state, in the people's backyards, to military bases, to the park and rec services, whether it be from septic tanks to heating oil tanks. You're going to see Greer and Anchorage Tank all over the state.
We deal with a pretty harsh environment in Alaska, so it's paramount that our tanks are built to a high standard.
From the sea conditions, humid air, a lot of coastal villages, to the harsh winters. We offer a variety of different tanks and coatings, whether it be cold weather steel or marine grade epoxy coatings for tanks that are going to be located close to coastal waters. We take a lot of pride in building our tanks and making sure that they're going to be able to handle these harsh environments.